Yeah, right then, guys. Hello. Just a quick one here. Competition I'm going to tell you about. I did mention it on another video. I'll give you another chance. But I just want to have a little bit of a waffle first. I went into Homebase to buy an extension lead, and they're really expensive. Now, I have some lawnmower cable. Yeah, lawnmower cable, which always comes in handy. Strimmers, stuff like that, they pack up after a while, don't they? So I cut the ends off and I keep the cord. So what I did, I went in to get an extension lead, and they're really expensive. So I bought plug ends. Yeah, unfortunately, these are rated a lot lower than 13 amps, so I've got to be careful there. I need to run the cable out to get my battery charger on the car, which is also a repair facility on the battery charger. I will say, like I always do, I will cover this later, but basically what this does, the battery charger will recover a battery that's starting to die. Yeah, but of course, as it is, I saved money. 22 quid for an extension lead. I still saved the money because I just bought the plug ends, and then I went and bought some more stuff. One of those was Stanley tool roll. Yeah, I liked the colour. Yeah, simple as that. You can tell why, can't you? Yellow and black. That's a themic colour that I like, but not bad tool roll actually for 13 pieces. I'm not one for tool rolls unless I'm building a tool bag or something like that, and this is what I've got. And I might yet change my name to Stanley and get Stanley Tools, because they're not bad. They're not bad. Stanley and Mac Tools are together, and DeWalt, they're all together. Yeah. So anyway, here is the torch I'll show you. This is the THRUNITE T20, which is very pokey, and has a large battery. USB charging. Okay, now my missus, she has a job where she has to drive out into the countryside, and of course when the winter comes she's very naive about cars. So what we're doing is we're building a pack up for a winter survival pack. This is it. And yeah, I went out and bought a Miltech one, okay, which is okay. This won't be carried anywhere. This can be moved from one car to another if needs be, yeah. And it's not going to be slung over the shoulder, or maybe it is in a one-time use, but this is just there in case of emergency. So we're building a winter survival pack up for the person in the vehicle, not for the car, because you can get these AA kits which have jump leads and a triangle and a tow rope and stuff like that, but it's not concentrated actually on the driver or the passenger, or just surviving over a night, this is what we want to do with this pack, is to be like a little bit like a bug out bag, which will get you through a situation. Yeah, so go and have a look at the video, link below here, and this will explain what we're trying to do. And the competition runs on until the end of September, so you've got plenty of time to think about it. Make a comment, and then what I'll do, you're part of the competition then, okay? And I'd expect that the guys watching this channel will have a little bit more of an idea. You don't have to go and subscribe to my channel, just watch the video, get the details, and then make a comment. It's as simple as that, yeah? And then we'll see from there. What I'll do is we'll get the competition out of the way, the torch will be up for grabs, and then we will fill this bag with stuff. I'm looking at a budget of around about 200 quid to get stuff in there. Yeah, and this is a serious thing. It's not a fantasy make-believe if the shit hits the fan type of stuff, although it could be real. This is for real lifetime situations, because people do get stuck out and people do freeze to death. A lot of the time it's because they don't plan the journeys and they get caught out by surprise. They can't handle their vehicles and then just not prepared. So preppers, obviously being prepared is the thing, isn't it? Yeah. I'm going to teach you how to use the pack, and then what we'll do is we will then do some videos on the survival pack itself and see how effective it could be. Okay. There are some good ideas already that people have put comments down on there. I'm going to say that I'm going to chuck in some self-defense, something for self-defense, and also some of those hand toasty things, the hand warmers. Yeah, if you've seen them, you just put them in a set of gloves and they'll keep your hands warm. And of course, if you are stuck out somewhere, cold is your enemy, isn't it? Food, not so much, because people can survive without food. Water, yeah, of course, we need water packs there, yeah. But the main thing is warmth, isn't it? And keeping their sanity, all right? So that is all part and parcel of it, yeah? Suggestions, you can have a discussion down on this video, but please go to the other video to make a comment to enter the competition, yeah? And the torch, yeah, obviously, that's like 80 odd quid's worth of torch. So it's quite a serious thing, yeah? And the winner's going to be very, very happy, yeah? So, all right, guys, that is it from me. Yeah, have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, take it easy.